Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford-like coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection right there, and turn light indicator mirrors. And moving to the front, we do have front park sensing with 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, there's a block heater back there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice dark gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. We got 2 cup holders ahead, 12-volt USB and 2 USB-Cs and 120. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same cloth interior you saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake lights, blind spot and tailgate opener just right there. And we also have Blue Cruise equipped in this vehicle. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 51.8 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have our toggle for screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, we can go through My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you have a fair bit of storage, with storage underneath as well. Storage cubby, cup holders, more storage with USB and USB-C. Nice leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage down under. We also have our drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12-volt, 120. You do to get storage above as well as below, storage here as well as a nice rear window opener. Looking at our main screen here, you have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of your vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. There's that Blue Cruise just right there. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave app, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, whatever you like, apps in general or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE26596, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.